Pretty straightforward, nothing complicated about it. That's the way I built it. Not a lot of training other than your eyes and the hand on the mouse. Pretty straightforward. Here it is on Microsoft. You're familiar with it. There's the green arrow. What should you do? Go long. Look how Microsoft shot up after you get that signal. That is what's so beautiful about it. You got an early look on what to do and how to plan it. Resulted in 153% gain in less than a month. Now see it again on Southern Copper. There's the arrow, green. What are you going to do? And there it goes. Yes, great. You can roll those options forward to stay with the trend if you run out of time. 196% in 26 seconds. What I like about this, you're no longer saying, well, should I buy? Should I sell? It's like reading the ABCs. Green arrow, get long. Red arrow, get short. And again on Google. Green arrow here. Up we went. 30 days, it went on a tear, and it would have led to 326% gain on at-the-money options. Now, I get excited about MTI by DTI. It takes actual key data, puts it all together, and gives you those simple, real-time buy and sell signals. There's no indicator like it on the planet. I've put it up against anything out there. It far outperforms it. It stays current both in the short run and in the long term. Never left guessing. You're following the process, long, short, or out. And folks love it. Just hear what some of my top students are saying. Look what James said. He loves the market timing indicator. Terms when you get in and get out. No guessing. Rhonda said, easy to follow, very logical. Scott said, concrete. Think about that. Hard data for decision-making, process, and timing. Now, before we get too long, there's going to be some smaller wins in trading, smaller losses, because the market timing indicator doesn't mean every trade is going to work out. You're going to learn this. That's why you always hear me say you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. I got a tape about that. Now, what I've shown you so far is just the beginning. Built to work alongside the market timing indicator is the Opportunity MTI scanner. I used it today, which analyzes the entire stock market, provides you with a confirmed buy and short opportunity on a silver platter. Did I mention you can use it for futures also? Meaning you're never left blindly guessing on what to trade, when to trade, or how to trade. Most people open up their trading platform, don't know where to start. We have all the stocks tracking with MTI by DTI. Now, it's all automated for you, the market time and opportunity scanner. It even spells it out. Buy, B-U-Y. Short, S-H-O-R-T. Straightforward as it can be. No hiding it from you. It populates whatever stock you want to put in there and tells you whether to stay with it or get long and buy more. Having these buy and short opportunities every day the market's open is very helpful. Like right now, I'm looking at it and I got a buy signal on TLT. That's an example. When it says it prints buy, you go with it. Crossed in the green, there's a new buy signal. When it prints short, you sell it. Price is crossed in red and there's a new short entry signal. All you have to do is click on the buy or click on the sell. Market timing indicator pulls up that chart. Like November 14th showed that Honeywell had a new buy signal. Price had crossed in the green and there was a new buy entry. There's that green arrow. Up we went. Look at that. Now it's rolled over. It's giving you a sell signal on the current Honeywell. With the market timing indicators guide, you have a shot of having things good? That's a great question. John says, what time frame? You can set the time frame for any time frame you want to use. I like to use an hour and a day, side by side. That's the way I like to do it. 179% in 2 minutes. Opportunity scanner works the same way to the downside. All these shorts of September 21st, after it turned over, Pepsi had a new short signal. You can use it in the pre-market. Great questions. Pre-market, aftermarket. Right there for you to read and see. Pepsi dropped like a rock when it got the sell signal. Down we went using the MTI by DTI. 313% on those options in 33 days. The market timing indicator helps you set a real-time course of action for you to follow for every trade you do. The opportunity scanner analyzes the entire stock market, or you can put your own tickers in there. I have people that use this for their retirement accounts, and they swear by it. It's designed to level the playing field for you to keep you on the right side. Here's what some of the better students have said. James B. said, easy to learn, easy to scan. Double-digit gain after getting it on his first day. Or Sandra gives her control over her trading account. And Glenn said the key words, 3 famous words in trading, makes me money. Now, like I mentioned before, my name's Tom Busby. I've been everywhere, been around a long time. I'm an active trader since the 70s, former member of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, now retired. In my early professional career, I was named Vice President of Smith Barney, which later became Morgan Stanley. And I was, this is what we'll talk about later on, was only one of 50 people selected to have a Globex terminal, which was the forerunner, okay? The forerunner to live trading electronically. And I have 3 great books: Winning the Day Trading Game, Markets Never Sleep, and Trade to Win. Now, remember, you have to have balance in your trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Sometimes the markets get unpredictable and anything can happen. Look at the last couple of years. Bear market 2022 took millions of folks by surprise. Didn't take me. No. An entire year of market gains vanished in a matter of months. You remember, I told you exactly how to trade that year. Told you what it was saying. Twists and turns on the way down was enough to fake out even the best traders and investors, and most people lost money. Once the market bottomed in October 2022, we got a buy signal. Took more than a year just to get back to even, but it did happen. A lot of turbulence both ways. 2024, markets finally made it to new highs. 98% of stocks are still down. In fact, only 9 stocks are responsible for most of the gains this year. You've got to have some tool to keep you in the right 9. Take out the top 9 and the S&P's down 40%. So if your trading isn't going as well as you think it should, don't beat yourself up. You're trying to manually sort through a lot of data, manage it and all that. We have it computerized, and all you have to do is read those famous words. B-U-Y, buy, or S-H-O-R-T, short. Now, things like price, volume, relative strength, momentum, 200-day high and low, 50-day high and low, it's all contained inside this software. Institutional accumulation, contained, debt ratio, EPS, corporate news announcements, cash flow, all that stuff that would take a team to keep up with. The daily open high and low, 52-week high and low, the day's range, yearly range, upgrades and downgrades. The list goes on and on. It's information overload if you try to do it individually. Let's face it, the Wall Street firms have gobs of people to follow all those individually. We don't. Bank of America has more than 130,000 employees. JP Morgan has 200,000. All the data, all the thousands of stocks. Man, they could save a lot of money having MTI by DTI. They actually have the head count to find the best opportunity. Now, Bank of America reported $26.5 billion in profits in 2023. JP Morgan posted a 32% increase in $49.6 billion. There's not enough time. We have to fight by being smart. This is a way to be smart. Let alone find the best trading opportunities, analyze all the data, have everything where the odds are in our favor. Now, we've done everything possible to make the world of trading simple and straightforward. Costs a lot of money to put something like this together. But in the end, it was totally worth it. The tool is there. It's there for you. Take Tesla, for example. Last year, the company started off strong, earning a place among the Magnificent Seven. Then it turned south, started to slide in February. It fell further. News came out. A lot of the gains were changing. More bad news, poor earnings, and more analyst downgrades. Stock slipped. Financial press was telling folks to hit the exits. Tesla was in its own bear market. And then we got a buy signal. Look at that buy signal. Whoa! That meant the stock had crossed in the green. There was a new long entry. That's all you wait for. Sure enough, there was a green arrow. Tesla took off. Anyone that entered, exited the market with the market timing indicator would have caught a very volatile move, 292% in 32 days. Similar story for Fifth Third Bank. Early March of last year, the executive chairman announced his retirement. News broke of a major acquisition. The market reacted unfavorably. Stock dropped more than 10%. Drastic sell-off came. Bombshell, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Third bank stock to fall off a cliff. In a matter of days, the stock lost over 30%. Very little chance of recovery. We're on track. Stock fell even more on positive earnings. Traded sideways for months, but timing. They were fined $8 million by the SEC. You'd avoid a stock like a plague with that kind of chart, and for good reason. But then we got the buy signal. There it is. Opportunity scanner found it. Stock crossed in the green, and there was a new long entry. Up, up, and away. Now, if you'd followed the market timing indicator on your side, about 442% on that particular option. Here it is on NVIDIA. Back half of last year, the stock was range bound, trading sideways for months. No one knew if NVIDIA would make new highs. In fact, they were talking about it was over. On January 5th, the market timing indicator, right at first year, gave a new buy signal for NVIDIA. Folks, pretty good. Green arrow, there we went. Market timing indicator, you walked away with 581% on what I call the North Star. Pretty good, huh? In 46 days. Market timing indicator would be a total game changer in the way you approach trading. And listen to what some of the top students have said, added it to their platform. It doesn't take long to do. Double D says, how do you choose options when using? Very simply, we got a simple way to do that, and we teach you through a training part of your masterclass series. Jim B said 105% winner on Nike, a 753% winner on Netflix. Now, as great as it is, it picks up swing trade opportunities too. Just the tip of the iceberg. Now, I day trade, I swing trade, and I trade for long term, but I always do it by following a process. Heck, I wrote the book on it, Winning the Day Trading Game. I built the market timing indicator to work for day trading too. When you open it up on your trading platform, that's what it looks like. You have a daily chart on the left, a short-term chart on the right, and now the market timing indicator works the same way on an hourly chart. You can drill it down to any time frame you want. I like the hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, or 1. If you really want to trade that much, it will give you the signals. Market timing indicator adjusts to the time frame you choose and wait for the error, and then you're ready to go. You heard me say it right. Any time frame you want to trade, which makes it very accurate if you want to trade futures. Price closes, that's our exit. 53% in 3 hours. Works the same way to the downside. The short error prints when the price closes below the lower white line and the price goes above the line, that's our exit. 60% in 4 hours. That's pretty quick, isn't it? Here it again on Netflix. There's the error. There's the shot. 2 hours later, not bad. See it again on Motorola. Green arrow. Up we go. 95%. Again on NVIDIA. Green arrow. Up we went. 2 hours later, 301%. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a swing trader, day trader, or do a little bit of both. You can integrate it together depending on your style. The market timing indicator is totally flexible for the trader you want to be. It helps you with the entries and exits every step of the way. Taking the actual data into one group and one setup for buy and sell signals. Again, top students, Bruce. It works in all time frames. He used it on a 5-minute chart to make $375 in less than 20 minutes. Not bad with his $1,000 he put up. Now, Jerry said he would not want to live without it. Same experience for Bruce, Glenn, and Jared. By inviting you to add the market timing indicator to your trading platform, you don't have to be a computer whiz to do it. It scared me too when they told me you had to do it this way. All you have to do is copy the link in your Thinkorswim trading platform. Within 60 seconds, you'll have the market timing indicator to look at every market you want to look at. You don't have to wait with this one, baby. It's there. Let me show you how easy it is. Page 1, we walk you through it. You download the indicator for Thinkorswim, walk you through the entire process. People tell me it takes about 2 minutes. Give yourself 5. Drink some coffee along the way. And once you're done, you start using it right away. No extra steps. Wait for the green arrow for your long entry point on the time frame you want. Like with Pepsi on March 24th, green arrow, long entry, up we went. Folks that had it could have had a shot at 126% in a few weeks. Or down arrow for the short entry, like what happened on Walgreens on April the 4th. Red arrows, short entry, down we went. Or did we? Anyone who followed along with MTI could have seen 211% in 35 days. Remember, the market timing indicator works the same way for day trade. Take Microsoft on May 14th, green arrow, up we went. Anyone using the market timing indicator would have realized about 75% in less than 4 hours. How about Occidental Petroleum on April 16th? Red arrow. What are we expecting? It to go down. Down it went. Slid off a cliff. Folks would have walked away with 182%. Folks, I hope you're paying attention to how simple it is to use. It was made by a trader for traders. Market timing indicator sets a real-time course of action for you to follow on each trade, helping you with entries, exits, every step along the way. Half the battle where most people screw it up, we figured out how to unscrew it for you. That's why when you pick up the market timing indicator, you get the opportunity scanner to cover a lot more territory because it analyzes entire tickers on the stock market. hands you this, read, I'm looking at it right now. That's where I gave you TLT. Look at that. Tells you what to be short, tells you what to be long. You're not guessing anymore. You got a process. So that's going to improve your trading just in that one step. Now, look what it did on Universal Health, new buy signal. What happened? Let's follow it out. Look at that. Don't you like trades that you got the trend like that? And that's the beautiful thing about it. You really catch a trend instead of the sideways noise that chews you up. Follow on with the market time integrator. You've seen an impressive 151% in 45 days. BlackRock, there it goes again. Buy signal. There goes the green arrow. BlackRock went on a tear for days after. Using the market time integrator, it had a shot at 310% in less than 2 months. The opportunity scanner's there. Every session you log on, it's right there for you to look at what you're looking at to keep you on the right side. Market timing indicator signals where to enter, where to exit. Now, we could put any price on this we wanted to, $39.95 a year to access both. But let's make it where if you take action tonight, you get a deal. Workshop number 1, how to do it with long-term trading. Workshop number 2, how to use it for short-term trading. Workshop number 3, swing trading, multiple days. How about income trades and other techniques? Workshop number 5, putting it all together. These workshops will give you a clear overview how to use it on any asset with multiple strategies offering various time levels. Insights on how I would approach each strategy based on my 40 years experience. That's worth a fortune to you. You don't have to make the mistakes I did. Now, they want to sell everything separately for $9.95, totaling a lot of money. But if you get into MTI tonight, you get all those free. I think you'll agree this package is well worth the $39.95 for 1 year's access. After using it and seeing it's definitely a good price. Just having a certified buy and short candidate every day is worth that much. Not to mention for each of you to have the entry, trailing stop, and exit. Now, $39.95 a year might be a little high. That's why we're doing this tonight, to let you come in at a lower price using the market timing indicator. So here's what we're going to do right here, right now. We're going to apply a 50% discount to your membership. Instead of paying the $39.95, you're going to pay $19.97 for the year. Hold on, we're not done. Stay with me. But if you join right now during this webinar, you get lifetime access and nothing additional. Fred, you get a discount with that membership, but you have to pay for this because it's lifetime. That means no subscription fees, no recurring charges, no data fees, no annual renewals. Fred, put your name and email in there. They'll call you and give you the rate. Make your decision now. Unlimited code updates. We update it from time to time. Now, if I add new features or functions, it's all yours. And I've done that. You don't pay any upgrade fee. Here's the deal. These upgrades, for those watching, get it tonight. And thousands with your lifetime. Click on the link in the chat. They're going to put the link in the chat. Somebody call Fred. Don't make another trade without it. Click the link. Go to dtitrader.com/MTI. Call 904-1776. Now, within minutes, you'll have it on your computer. In fact, since I've got an extended session night on futures, I will show you the futures market using MTI. You get that as a big bonus as joining the night. We'll look at the buy and sell. I'll show you how to do it. not just for tonight, not just for tomorrow, but for the rest of your trading career. It's for a lifetime. Click the link in the chat, call the number above, hear what other traders have said. Somebody said it was one of the best tools I ever came up with because it simplified life for it. Don't waste a moment. Get it before we pull it down. Click the link to secure. Go to dtitrader.com/MTI. 904-416-1776. Now let me answer some common questions. What trading platforms work on? The market timing indicator and opportunity scanner works on Thinkorswim. It's free to open a Thinkorswim account, and it takes less than 60 seconds to copy it in there. So if you don't want to trade through Thinkorswim, that's okay. Get a simulator from them and put this indicator on that. Just download the URL. How you download it? You get a video that shows you step by step. It will take you less than 2 minutes to do it, what everybody tells me. I said, give yourself 5. Everything's covered in detail and will help you if you run into any problems. Are both the market timing indicator and opportunity scanner included? Yes, they're both included. No subscription fees, no recurring charges, no data fees, no annual renewals. The lifetime upgrade is tonight. Click the link to lock in your membership. Go to dtitrader.com/MTI. Call 904-416-1776. Is there any training on how to use the market timing indicator? Yes, in your member portal, you'll find the 5 workshops that shows you the whole program right there. All of them are simple and straightforward for you to use. You'll be ready and operated by tomorrow. Workshop number 1 is long-term trading, short-term trading, swing trading, income trades, and other techniques, and putting it all together. A clear understanding how to use it, how to set it up on any asset. Multiple strategies offer varying time intervals. Plus, you get insights on how to approach each strategy based on over 40 years of my experience. Click the link in the chat to claim these workshops. Secure your lifetime membership. If you prefer to talk to someone, call that number above. That's 904-416-1776. dtitrader.com/MTI. Tonight, it's 1997, lifetime access. There it is, folks. I laid it out. Yeah, Pete, it's lifetime. I'm letting you know tonight. It's lifetime. Laura, we've been using it for about a year and a half. It was Easter of last year when I put it together. These are lifetimes we're giving out tonight. Take advantage of it. Dave's got his up. He says he doesn't trade without it. Cool, huh? Steve, I don't think so. I think you can get an account from Thinkorswim, getting it there. Glenn says, add TNT to it. You'll love it. That's my daily update. All right, here's what we're going to do. Let's put a clock up here for 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back, and I'm going to talk about futures first. Fred, I don't know about that. I just know that I'm biased towards this because I did it, and I'm very proud of the feedback I've got from everybody that's used it, and that's why I brought it out tonight, because we've got a big week, and you need to be on the right side of the market. Adam, who do we have here from sales tonight? Jeffrey and Kelly?
I see Kelly. I don't see Jeffrey tonight.
Okay, Kelly's here to help.